This is Suna Senman behind the camera in a moment of needing to remember, a moment when there is not the ease and the harmony that I'm used to. So I wrote these books to remind me in times like this, as I hope you will use this second book to write your own inner wisdoms to help remind you in times of less clarity. So now I'm going to use these books as they were intended. Just pick one up and open it to any page and see what it has to say. And I turn to the page, Create the World. I am hurt, angry, and scared. I want those feelings to go away. I feel like I want to curl up in a ball into my tortoise shell, or play dead like a possum. I could pick up adrenaline and fight like an angry lion or a mad gorilla. These are my physical body-centered mind responses. I have a higher mind. In my higher mind, I can span the entire history of my life and the history of all mankind. I can look backwards to the past and forwards through the future, knowing that all time exists in this moment. In this moment, I'm grateful for the night of the struggle and the daylight of clarity. I'm grateful for the crickets chirping because their rhythmic sound reminds me that I am breathing. I'm grateful to know that all emotions exist in my life. All experiences of fear and accomplishment, pride and humility exist in my being in the form of memory, current experience, or potential future. What feels too big for me to manage now will be my future accomplishment. What is unknown now will be known in the future and is known in the current will of my deeper being. I choose the direction where I place my energy over the continuum of time. I choose the direction, the goals, and the dreams I wish to accomplish. The materials were created for me, my life, this earth, the people around me. Things in the world and possibilities were created for me through another being and beings. I am the being now that creates. I take my ingredients and create. I have to decide first what I'm creating. In my present state, I need to evaluate the ingredients that I have and search in my soul for the vision and desire of what I wish to create. If I search only in my mind, I deprive my heart of its opportunity. My true desires come from my heart and then partners with my mind to create the planning. After the plan is created, the partnership expands to include my voice, my hands, and the remainder of my body. The partnerships expand to include other people, other groups of people, and materials. Yet, true satisfaction of that which I create depends on how accurate it reflects my true heart's desire. Why do I sometimes create things that I do not truly want? Why do I create disharmony, angry, and hurtful relationships? Why do I create that which opposes the desire of my heart? Along the stages of creating, there are many decisions that can be influenced by a variety of factors, like building a house or growing a tree. Outside forces affect the final outcome. In building a house, we start with a blueprint. The more thought and effort that goes into the blueprint, the quicker and easier it is to build the house. When the foundation is put in, the earth upon which the house will sit becomes known. When the foundation is dug, underground waterways, rock, and other elements are revealed. These outside forces affect the building. The builder and architect consider the new information and make adjustments designed to accomplish the desired goal. When the walls are up, new information is revealed. Walking through the layout within the outlines of the walls gives the architect-builder information on the experience of space or lack of space, views, and lighting. How living in the house will start feeling will feel, how living in the house will feel starts becoming a reality. The architect builder evaluates how he likes the feeling, and that is being created, and can make adjustments at this point, moving walls, adding windows, or making other basic structural adjustments. Wow. I needed to read that now, because that's exactly where I am. This is the book Being a Process by Suna, my name. This is what it is, Being a Process. Yeah, sometimes it's just time to stop and look at what it is I'm creating. Go back and look at the blueprint, the desire that my heart has, and see what kind of elements are in my life that I hadn't really noticed before. And take into consideration what I'm finding and what choices, directions I wish to take now. And so I will give myself a quiet moment. May you also remember and use these books to remember, and write your own book to remember, which this will help you do. Peace. Blessings, blessings, blessings.